In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save web pages to Notion database. The easiest way to save a web page directly into a Notion database is to use the official Notion Web Clipper. This is a browser extension that lets you send the page you are viewing into Notion in just a few clicks, which is perfect for saving articles, resources, or references for later. First, install the Notion Web Clipper extension. You can get it from the Chrome Web Store or from your browser's extension store if you use a different browser. Once it is installed, make sure you are signed in to the correct Notion account in your browser, because the Clipper will save content into the workspaces you have access to. Next, open the web page you want to save. Let the page fully load so the Clipper can capture the title and content properly. For example, you might be reading a news article, a guide, or a documentation page that you want to keep in your Notion system. Now go to your browser toolbar and click the Notion icon. This opens the Clipper panel. If you do not see the icon, it may be hidden in your extensions menu, so you may need to open that menu and select Notion from there. In the Clipper panel, choose the Notion workspace where you want the page to go. Then select the specific database you want to save it into. Taking a moment here is important because saving to the right database keeps everything organized and easy to find later. If you manage multiple databases, pick the one that matches the type of content you are clipping, such as a reading list or a research database. Once the correct workspace and database are selected, click Save Page. Give it a few seconds to complete the save, especially for longer pages. After it finishes, you can open Notion and check that database to confirm the new entry is there. The page will typically appear as a new item, and you can rename it, add tags, or fill in any additional properties your database uses. That covers everything you need to know.